Welcome to the second week of my 100,000 FTMO challenge. In this video, I'll share my weekly plan and results. No BS, let's go. This week, I'll focus on gold and UJ, especially gold. Gold's trending up on both the daily and H4. It ended last week with two rejection candles on the daily trend line and bearish momentum looks weak. On H4, price rejected a key area with a strong bullish engulfing, signaling a potential bullish continuation. For entries on H1, I'll wait for either a pullback or a clean break and retest of the upper zone. UJ is also trending up on both the daily and H4, with price closing above last week's daily resistance. On H4, I'll look to buy if price pushes higher and retest the major zone, or sell if it breaks the trend line and H4 structure. Both setups offer solid profit potential. GJ remains in a daily uptrend, still respecting its trend line nicely. I'll likely wait for a momentum breakout above resistance or a clean bounce off the trend line for a buy. GU hasn't confirmed a trend yet on the daily or H4, so I'll wait for more signals. Price is sitting on a major support. If it breaks below, I'll look for sells toward the next key level. Gold broke the uptrend and invalidated all my setups, costing me 2 buy trades early in the week. The first trade was a complete mistake. I should have placed my stop loss below the first higher low after the M15 trend change, which was the H1 bullish engulfing candle. My very first trade of the challenge, and I broke my rules because of fear of missing out. What a joke. Execution, 0 out of 5. The second trade was another gold buy. This time, I waited for the pullback and entered with a proper stop loss. The red and green arrows marked the M15 trend shift. It still hit my stop loss, which is fine. The setup was solid. The only flaw was hesitating before entry while trying to get a better risk to reward. Execution, 4 out of 5. UJ broke the uptrend without forming any buy setups, so I ignored it until Thursday when it confirmed the H4 downtrend. I took a break and retest sell right after the H1 bearish engulfing candle formed. A high quality setup, strong bearish move, shallow retrace and sharp rejection. Execution, 5 out of 5. GJ finally broke the resistance with strong momentum early in the week, so I was watching for buys. It formed a clean break and continuation setup with an M15 trend shift for entry and a range break as extra confirmation. Sadly, it happened at 2 a.m., so I missed it. GU made a new daily high and looks like it's turning back up. No setups this week, but I might see some buying opportunities next week. A lot happened this week. I made a mistake early on by forcing a trade out of fear of missing out. What I did well was admitting the mistake and moving on, focusing on the next execution instead of blaming myself and letting it affect the rest of the week. From past experience, I've learned how important it is to train the mental muscle of recovering from mistakes if you want to excel in this game. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and see you next time.